Hello friends, today I am sharing two easy Valentine's Day pink nail art design. First one is this heart nail art design and the second one is this pink chevron kind of nail art design. For the first design, I have applied pink color on my thumb and little finger and I topped it up with this glitter polish. After applying the first layer of this glitter polish, I waited for it to dry off and then I repeated applying a second layer of this glitter polish, and finally I used this rainbow top coat to finish off the nail. On my pointer, middle and ring finger I have made one ombre design, and for that I have used this sponge and two shades of pink polish and white polish. Just apply them as shown, and then I applied a white polish on my nails, and when it was dry I dabbed on these colors on them so that I could get the ombre effect. After the first layer I applied it 2 to 3 times so that I got a deeper shade, and then I applied a layer of glossy top coat to smoothen out the design. Finally, taking nail polish remover and a cleanup brush, I removed all the extra polish from the cuticle area. Then for my middle finger, I took painter's tape and made some heart shapes as shown, and I cut them off using a blade. Then I used those tiny hearts which I had created to make the nail art design as shown. I peeled off the tiny hearts which I had created and placed them on the nail which has white polish. And when the polish dries up, I stuck the hearts as shown and I pressed it down firmly. Then I took a piece of sponge and dabbed in some deep pink polish, and I dabbed it a couple of times on a white sheet of paper to remove the extra polish. Then using this, I dabbed on all around the heart so that it gets a grainy kind of look. And once I am satisfied, I simply took a tweezer and I peeled off the hearts one by one so that the central part remains white and I just have the outline of the heart with the pink polish. After this, I took the glitter polish and added a few glitters here and there, and I completed the lower heart by adding a few dots of pink to make the shape of the heart. And then I finished off the design by applying a layer of rainbow top coat, and on my pointer and the middle finger I made the simple ombre design and I simply added a layer of rainbow top coat. And this brings us to the end of this first set of designs. I hope you like this very easy design, and for the second design I have simply changed the middle finger nail art and I made this gradient chevron kind of design. For this I began with the lightest shade of blush color which I had, and I gradually added shades of pink towards the lower side in a similar manner. So in this manner I added different shades of pink in a V shape, and gradually as I went down I increased the darkness of the color. This final color is the deepest shade of kind of like maroonish color, and after I finish this I added a little white polish along with the topmost polish, which is the blush polish, and I made a lighter shade, and I made another triangular shape towards the cuticle. And when this design dries up, I finished it off with the rainbow top coat, and this easy nail art design is also done. I hope you like these two very easy Valentine's Day pink color nail art designs, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.